Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project online electronic store. I am creating project electronic store video. I have developed this project online electronic store in Python, Django and MySQL. We we have developed two type of UI. For user there is a different UI and for the admin there is a different UI, and the both are the bootstrap theme. And also I am using latest version of Python, that the Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using in this project. This is the front-end page of this project, and our project title is online electronic store. Okay, I had developed this project in Python, Django and the MySQL. We have also used HTML, CSS and JavaScript, some of the jQuery library. Also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project. Like this, you can see there is a slider running on the home page and it's coming from the JavaScript. You can see we have added 3 images. Okay, you can see here categories, and this is a search bar. You can search anything from here. Okay, so this is a home page of this project. About us, this is a totally static page, nothing dynamic in this page. This is a about us page. This is a products page. You can see all the electronic items which are coming from the database. This is a dynamic page. Okay, you can add the number of electronic items from the database. Same for the categories. You can see here the 8 categories. You can add the number of categories from the database. This is also a dynamic page. Okay, this is a user registration page. Here you can easily user register, and this is a login, admin and customer login, and this is a contact us page. This is also a static page. We have integrated a small map. Okay, first if you want to buy some electronic items like a split AC and this cost, click on the view details. Oh, here is the restrictions. Without login you can't buy any electronic products from this portal. So first you need to log in. Okay, after that you can buy. Click on the login. Username is customer and the password is TEST and log into account. Okay, this is a user dashboard. You can see here total orders, confirmed orders, order in transit, and this is a order, your order details, and this is a important links. You can easily go from this link on this page. So first you need to buy some products like a split AC. Click on the view details. If you want to see the details, you can click on the view details. You can see all the details about related this AC. Okay, if you want to buy, like here is the quantity, you can add the number of quantity in your card. If you want to buy 2 AC, click on the 2 and click on the add to cart. Okay, your cart has been updated successfully. You can see cost per unit and quantity 2, and the total cost amounts gets calculating automatically. Now if we want to proceed to checkout, click on the checkout. Here is the payment dummy page. This is not real in this page, only a payment dummy. Okay, you can add the any card number like this, name of card like a Visa, expiry date 3, and the CVV. You can enter anything. Click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done. This is your personal details, and this is a order summary and the payment summary. Means your payment has been done and your order has been confirmed. If you want to see your orders, click on the my order section. You can see all your order details. If you want to see this order details, click on the eye icon. You can see your order details. Okay, if you want to update your account, you can click on the my account. You can update your account easily, like name, gender, user, mobile, anything. And this is a change password. You can easily update your password from this page. Okay, Okay, so this is all about the front end thing. Okay, so this is all about the front end thing. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see the administration option, logout options, dashboard option is also same because of the session driven. If you log out, you can see upper menu has been changed. If you log in, so system is checking and accordingly upper menu has displaying. So this is all about the front end thing what we have developed in this project. Now comes the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open the admin panel. You need to log in. First, without login, you can't access the internal page. Okay, so the user ID is admin. User ID is admin and the password is test. Now click on the sign in. This is a admin dashboard. This is a very attractive and great dashboard. You can see total orders, order delivered, confirmed orders, order in transit, total orders, total customer. You can see this is a quick menu. You can hide and you can minimize and maximize from here. You can all products. You can see each and everything from this dashboard. Okay, first click on the product management, add product page. Here admin can add new product, new electronic item from this page or database. Okay, and this is a product report. You can see all the electronic items report. You can see, you can export the data as well as CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. And this is a column visibility. If you want to hide like a name, you can see the name has been hide. If you want to see the name has been visible, you can click on that image and name has been visible. Okay, so you can see this is all the product report and we have integrated a small pagination here. Same for the category. This is a add category page. Here admin can add new category, electronic category from this page. And this is a category report. You can see all the electronic items category report on this page. You can easily edit and delete from here. Okay, and this is a all order. You can see all order reports. You can export the data as same for the products as well as CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. Okay, you can easily edit and view items and cancel order, each and everything do from here. This is a customer management. This is a add customer page. You can add the number of customers from here, and this is a customer report. You can see all the customer report from the customer report page, and this is a change password. Here admin can update his password, and this is a logout. Okay, so this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have developed these two different type of view for managing this whole project online in electronic store. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.